In any of your nights, do you ever sleep, just lay on your bed at night and tell yourself, I'm just laying on bed for a few minutes, and before you know it, you are asleep with the lights on, with the clothes you spend the day with? This is how I'm waking up today. Last night I told myself I'm just laying on bed for a few minutes and then I'll wake up to dress up, to turn off the lights. But here I am this early morning, fully dressed. Just how I slept. The lights were on. Oh my goodness, I didn't even get good sleep with the lights on. But here we go. I'm going to show you my morning routine. Of course, it involves starting the day with God. Give God the best time of your day, which is the morning. Start with God. I love brushing my teeth first thing in the morning. Okay, there's this thing that I usually do. It's called oil pulling, but currently I don't have coconut oil. I finished mine and it's so expensive from the supermarket, guys. I need to learn how to make coconut oil. It's very expensive when you buy it. Maybe it will be cheaper when I make it myself. So here is to starting the day fresh. You need to be glowing because like when I don't do a little touch up in the morning with water, the day is never good because I will be parara. Parara is how you look when you've not applied oil on your body, right? Actually, this deodorant was a gift from my Trinidad mom, Mom Nisha. It has lasted me for so long. Thank you so much. So after all that skincare, I am the one cooking breakfast today, so I start with sweeping the kitchen. I have to pour some water so that it's easier to sweep the kitchen. We use firewood over here. Yeah. Today we're drinking packet milk. One thing about the countryside, if you have somewhere you eat your milk, you need to book it early. You can let the person, like you can pay for the whole month and let the person know you'll be taking milk for the entire month. Most of the time, if you're not paying like that, if it's for daily, they usually, Mount Kenya people, there are those people, companies who come for milk from the countryside early in the morning. So you really have to book your milk or you drink packet milk when you don't get it early. You don't get it early enough. What I'm preparing is called chai. It's a mixture of milk, tea leaves, and water. But here, like, I prepare two types of tea: nylon tea without tea leaves and tea with tea leaves. Because sometimes tea leaves, if you have stomach issues like ulcers, they are advised not to take tea leaves. And today we don't have so many things. We also don't have tea leaves. They finished, so we're using chocolate. It's also like not chocolate, that's cocoa, because we don't have tea leaves. And of course I'll be making some pancakes. These are the pancakes we bake here. We make here. They're very simple to make. Just your eggs, your unga, your water, and if you want to add salt or sugar, you do that. People make pancakes in different ways, of which I know, but yeah, this is what we make here and we love it. Also, every time we use like eggs, we don't throw the shells away because the shells are very good. They are a good source of many minerals like calcium. So So they are blended into different things. Maybe sometimes even kitchen feed, sometimes even into porridge flour. Yeah, they're very good. Don't throw them away. We are also having some fruits this early morning. We have so many pawpaws in the house, so we've been trying to eat them so that they don't spoil. So we'll be having pawpaws and also some bananas straight from the farm, from farm to table. This is what they mean when they say that. Yeah, from farm to table. So it's really nice. Also, there was someone was actually asking me how you grow pawpaws. I think I made a video about it, how you grow pawpaws, but I didn't explain in details. Maybe I will need a detailed video, but for now, what I can tell you, pawpaws usually ripen mostly during the dry season. They ripen up so fast, and you can choose not to throw away the seedlings. You keep them in a nursery bed, like you dry them up first, you keep them in a nursery bed, they grow, you be pouring water on them during the dry season, they grow, and when it starts raining, you plant them in your shamba, and you enjoy your pawpaws when they start ripening up. It's so nice. It's really nice. Pawpaws are so delicious. They're also good for many stomach issues, even stomach ulcers, stomach H. pylori. Yeah. I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.